Hi guys, welcome back to my functional fitness channel. That's right. So anyhow, you could see in the last episode that we've been on together when it was -11. I don't know if you can recall that. That was just a couple of days ago, and it's basically how to do rings in a winter workout environment. It was 11 degrees. It was the wind just picked up, and I guess we just had like a string of cold days. So this came out 6 days ago, and in this video, if you remember correctly, if you've seen the video, I was basically talking about the aesthetic of eyes. Yep, that's right. So I'm in cinematic mode right now, so it's picking up my face rather than the video. So I wanted to pick up the video so you could just see it right there. See, I was pointing towards my eyes, and I was pointing towards my eyes because I was talking about massages, how you can give yourself self-care and massage yourself and get rid of some lactic acid and some tension and whatnot. And it doesn't only stop at the major muscle groups, but also need the muscles underneath your eyes and stuff like that. So with time, either you're predisposed to it or it's because of fatigue or age and whatnot. We want to take care of these just like we take care of other parts of our body. So we don't neglect the eyes because we need to see in order to see where we're going. We don't neglect the feet or the hands because these are the tools that we need to utilize. So I was talking in my last video or log or video log. It's not a blog, it's a video log or episode. I like episode because it's like a TV series. Basically, this is a TV series of things I do in my life. So I want to share it with you because I think that can be beneficial. So the description, basically, the title of the last video, if you want to see what we did, is how to do rings workout in the winter and beginner to intermediate moves. And yeah, I find it nice to mix things up and to be able to give you some creative content from a creative mindset, so to speak. And so it's episode 21. I'm just looking at it here right now. And then, before that, before episode 21, there was episode 20 where we're talking about the 30-minute fat metabolizing workout. So it's so important. And then we went to the kitchen, and episode number 19 basically displayed how to eat right. Right here you got the pictures of the vegetables and whatnot and how to eat right. So if you want to see what was on the plate and what I cooked up, you can go to that video. And I'm just going roughly through these videos right here so we can just give you some encouragement to go and look at these videos because they're there for a purpose, right? It's part of our daily agenda and things that we do. So this one is a 10-minute workout. So for people that don't have time, they don't have that half an hour or an hour, they can just go to a 10-minute. So I made a 10-minute video to show you how you can start metabolizing and burning calories. And episode 17, 16, so there's 21 episodes now, so there's 21 different things to talk about. I didn't repeat on one, and if I did do a skipping video, let's say 3 times, the skipping video was 1 for beginners, 2 for intermediate, and 3 for advanced. So if you want to learn how to skip, then you go to the first video, and after that once you got the gist of how to skip and the technique and whatnot, then you go to the intermediate video, and if you're missing something, you go back to beginners. So doesn't cost you anything. It just takes a couple minutes of your day. So everybody has that. And then when you're ready, then you go to the intermediate. You can try more intermediate things. So for the rings, I'm going to have a series of videos for the rings, beginner, intermediate, and advanced moves. So you might have more than one beginner or one intermediate or advanced video. But I'll categorize them so you don't get lost and whatnot. And that's basically it. So, welcome to the channel, and also welcome to Jade-x. That's right. So Jadex is the product from Dermaflawless that I chose to go with for getting results underneath my eyes. Okay. So you're going to be taking a look, a further deeper look, and they will be in different episodes because obviously you don't get results just right away instantaneously, even though you do get some instantaneous results, but you will have a progression over time. So I want you to see the dermaflawless product. I want you to see the progression over time of this eye contour device. It's a device pour les yeux. So to take care of les cernes, you know, the black circles underneath the eyes. And yeah, so it's part of the healthcare mentality that I like to promote, you know, massaging yourself, taking care of the eyes, the hands, the feet, you know, go to a spa, treat yourself to something because, you know, you got to take care of your body because it's the only place where you have to live, right? So more information on the Dermajadex to be continued. So if you are looking for a quest for a younger looking eyes, then look no further than Dermajadex. So we won't be doing the unboxing of the product today. I just wanted to let you know that I did receive it, and I'm excited to give this beautiful product, beautiful recommendations on this product to take care of the dark circle around the eyes. So also I just wanted to just keep you in the loop and making sure that I haven't forgotten about, you know, the progress. So you also have, you know, your journal. With your journal, you have post-it notes that you need to write your daily goals and keep on looking at those post-its. And then, you know, obviously you set your goals, you put it to the post-its, and then after that you can fix them into your journal, affix it into the bathroom mirror, into your car, into your wallet, wherever you're going, in the office. And you know, the commonality with all three of setting your goals, writing them down on post-it notes, and putting in journal is accountability. Really, you need to be accountable. So accountability, accountability, accountability. And in watching these videos, actually watching these videos counts as an accountability tool because you're coming to these videos for information that I'm giving you that's worked for me. Doesn't necessarily work for everybody. However, if you're coachable and you're willing to, you know, in the next 28 days to change your habits, to change your routine, then you definitely come to this channel because this channel is about getting functionally fit. Not only functionally fit body-wise, also up here. You got to keep the noodles wet. You got to keep things turning. You got to always keep, you know, your brain young and your mentality. So it's a thought. It's a process. So keep on coming here. And if you feel the need, if you have a little doubt about something, you really want to rewatch the videos. As you rewatch the videos and you keep on coming back to the channel, the message is going to change over a period of time. I promise you that. There's videos that I've watched, like The Secret, and I've been watching it for the last 10 years. And throughout the 10-year process, as I go ahead and accomplish goals and objective, and I rewatch the video, the message in the video changes. It really does. And it's quite magical, in fact. So keep on coming back. Watch those videos. We have 21 episodes. This is episode 22 now. So now we have 22 episodes. And I'm going to be posting content as regularly as I can. If sometimes you see that I'm posting one video a week, well, it's because I had other obligations and I had other things to take care of, other personal administration to take care of. And then once I can come back on a daily basis or every 2 or 3 days, I will come back and post more helpful and useful content for you to keep on feeling healthy, looking healthy, rejuvenating parts of our body that we can, you know, delay, and just, you know, eat right, sleep right, and take care of your body because it's the only place where you have to live. So I'm going to wish you all a good day, a good morning, a good night, wherever you are around the world. And I really appreciate you joining us here on my Functional Fitness channel. Have a good night. Take care. Bye bye.